Mastering Culinary Verbs. Boil seafood explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of culinary verbs, starting with a common kitchen activity, boiling seafood. Whether you're a fan of shrimp, lobster, or clams, understanding this phrase is key to cooking and language mastery. So, let's get started. Boiling is a cooking method that involves heating water until it reaches a temperature where it begins to move vigorously and produce steam. This is the boiling point. When we say, boil seafood, we're talking about submerging seafood in boiling water to cook it. Not all seafood is commonly boiled, but there are a few favorites. Shrimp. They turn a lovely pink when perfectly boiled. Crabs. A summer favorite, often boiled with spices. Lobster. Known for its rich taste when boiled and served with butter. Clams. Boiled until they open. They are a delicacy in many cultures. Here's how to boil seafood in a nutshell. 1. Fill a pot with enough water to cover the seafood. 2. Bring the water to a rolling boil. 3. Add the seafood and any seasonings. 4. Cook for the recommended time until the seafood is done. 5. Remove from the pot and enjoy. Avoid these common mistakes to ensure your seafood is delicious. Overcooking. This can make seafood rubbery. Under-seasoning. Seafood loves salt, so don't skimp on it. Boiling too vigorously. A gentle boil is often better, especially for delicate seafood. That's it for our lesson on boil seafood. We hope you now feel confident using this phrase and maybe even trying the method in the kitchen. Remember, cooking and language learning are both about practice, so keep at it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.